Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one chapter from history of 9th standard, that is French Revolution part 1. In this lesson we will learn that why there was French Revolution. What are the reasons? What are various reasons for the French Revolution? That if you consider the ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity that we inherit today did not come easily in France. For this there was a great revolution. People protested and there was a revolution. So why people protested? Why people were not happy? So let us learn one by one with the help of this pyramid. The society was divided in France. The society was divided into the first state, second state and third state. First state, second state and third state. So in first state there were clergies. In second state there were nobility. In second state there was nobility, and third state there were the people like businessmen, merchants, peasants and landless laborers, again court officials. These in this way the society of France was divided into the three states. So this is the social reason. This is the social reason that why there was a French Revolution in France. This comes under the social region because the society of France was divided. This was the structure during the late 18th century in France. This again, if you consider, if you go back to the Middle Ages, there was feudal system. So what is this feudal system? Under this feudal system, the nobles, they extracted tax from the third estate, and they also paid tax to the clergies. So this feudal under this feudal system they extracted money from the peasants. This was the burden on the peasants only, and clergies and nobilities, they enjoyed the privileges by birth. So that is why the third estate, they were not happy with the king, as they were not happy with this structure. Only third estate was paying the taxes. So there was unrest, there was turmoil in the France. So that is why there was a French Revolution. We can consider this also under the economic reason. Economic reason for the French Revolution. Because why economic reason? Because only the third estate was paying tax to the clergies and nobilities. So how the tax was paid to the clergies? For example, I would like to give one, that is two types of taxes were there. There were two types of tax. One, that is tail, and second, that is tithes. Tithes. So this tithes was the tax that was paid directly to the church, which was borne by the third estate, that is peasants, and the direct tax, that is tail. This tax was also borne by the peasants and paid to the government. So in this way the whole burden was there on the third estate only. So again, why peasants were not able to pay this tax? Why the third estate was not able to pay this tax? There is also reason. Because the 90% of the population of France, 90% of the population of France comprised of the third estate, and out of this 90%, very few people own the land. And if you consider these two estates, clergies and nobilities, there 60% of land 60% of land was owned by the clergies, nobilities, and some big merchants or the aristocrats, we can say. In this way, the income of the third estate was very less, and on the other hand, they have to pay the taxes to the government as well as to the church. So that is why there was a growing anger in the mind of the people of France during the 18th century.